dear crochet friends, I'm showing you with my finished piece using front post and back post double crochet. This stitches add amazing texture and depth, perfect for cozy projects. This is the front side where you can see how the front post double crochet and back post double crochet look. If we turn to the back, you'll notice that front post double crochet appears similar to the back post double crochet on the reverse side, and the same goes for the back post double crochet. Let's take a closer look and learn to crochet together. I made ready for foundation chains with double crochet clusters and a double crochet. Now let's begin with our front post double crochet. First, chain 3 and turn your work. Yarn over once. Insert your hook around the post of the next double crochet from front to back to front. Yarn over again and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over once more and pull through the last 2 loops. That's one front post double crochet. Let's repeat it in the next 3 posts of double crochet. Let's take a look at the effect of front post double crochet. You can see how the stitches create a raised, textured reeds on the front, adding depth and dimension to the fabric. On the back or wrong side, the front post double crochet appears recessed or pushed back. This technique is great for ribbing, cables, and other structure to your projects. Now let's move on back post double crochet. Yarn over once. Insert your hook from back to front to back around the post of the next double crochet. Yarn over again and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over once more and pull through the last 2 loops. That's one back post double crochet. And let's repeat. Let's take a look at the effect of back post double crochet. On the front, you'll see how the stitch is pushed back, adding depth to the design. And if we turn our work, you'll notice that the back post double crochet on one side looks like front post double crochet on the other. Just like how front post double crochet looks like back post double crochet when flipped. This creates a beautiful textured pattern. Remember that if you start with double crochet, you'll end also with double crochet. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!